Hello everyone, welcome to Moving Violations. Look at that, hanging off there. I'm Russell Blank, NEC consultant for ECNM Magazine. Raceways hanging off the side of the building. Now I am right next to the ocean here. In fact, you can probably hear the waves crashing behind me. All these screws on the raceway, the cover screws for that box we saw where the light was hanging off, have all rusted and just broken. Now 300.6 my tongue's a little twisted here. 300.6 requires raceways and cable trays and all kinds of other equipment, including supports and support hardware, to be made of materials suitable for the environment in which they are installed. And I would say that whatever screws they used here, potentially galvanized screws, were not suitable for this salty air next to the ocean here. Perhaps stainless steel screws would have been better for this application, but as it is now, this will all need to be done over.